Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into use Microsoft 365 productivity, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into AI Simplified Prepare for your week with Copilot and Teams, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. In today's fast-paced work environment, staying organized and productive is more critical than ever. Microsoft Copilot in Teams is designed to simplify your workflow by integrating AI-powered assistant directly into your collaboration platform. Whether you are planning your weekly tasks, setting up meetings, or managing team projects, Copilot in Teams ensures you stay ahead of your schedule with minimal effort. Hey everyone, Luca here. Thanks for joining me on this episode of AI Simplified in Microsoft Teams. I don't know about you, but it can sometimes be tough to get my workday started. With all the meetings I have coming up, emails I need to respond to, and content I have to review, it can be easy to miss something or not feel fully prepared. So how do I get a head start on my day? I just head over to Microsoft Copilot in Teams. Here I am in Teams, and I've got a few things already that I need to catch up on. I'll just navigate to my Teams chats and click on Copilot here to start a new conversation. This will search across all my Microsoft 365 apps and experiences, pulling in relevant documents, emails, and more within Teams to help answer my prompts. I'll start with a simple prompt. Help me get ready for this week. Copilot searches across Teams and tells me all the pressing meetings I have coming up, who they are with and when. It connects the dots for me. This is great, but I also want to know what I need to go over before those meetings, instead of going back and forth between apps. I just asked Copilot, how can I prepare for those meetings? It's pulled a couple of relevant PowerPoints and Word documents I can look over before I have my meetings. Those relevant documents are here with links listed in one place, and I didn't have to take the time to go and find each one individually. Now I'm ready to take on any day thanks to Copilot in Teams. Microsoft Copilot in Teams is a game changer for professionals seeking a smarter, AI-driven approach to work. By leveraging its capabilities, you can efficiently plan your week, streamline communication, and boost overall productivity. Whether you're managing a small team or an entire organization, Copilot ensures that you're always prepared for the week ahead with minimal effort. Start using Copilot in Teams today and experience the future of workplace productivity.